Hello guys, welcome to another episode on the channel, and today we are going to be talking about the best forex trading strategy that can pay you $1 million in 2025. So we'll be looking at the retail trading strategy and the smart money concept trading strategy. So between these two strategies, which is the best? Which is the best approach to the market that can pay you $1 million? So let's look at the retail trading strategy. So as a retail trader, there are different strategies you can employ to trade the market. You can either be a support and resistance trader, where you buy from the support zone and you sell from the resistance zone. You can also trade trend line strategy, where you wait for price to touch the trend line, probably maybe first, second or third time, and you take your trade, whether buy or sell, or you wait for a break and retest of the trend line to take your trade, either buy or sell. You can also trade chart patterns as a retail trader. You can trade bull flag, bear flag, shoulder, head, shoulders, whatever. So these are some of the strategies that a retail trader uses to engage the market. So let's see this other side, the smart money concept. Now, guys that trade this smart money concept, they claim that they follow institutional trading, like they trade like the banks. A major approach they use in trading this market is to look for liquidity sweep, a market structure shift, and a return of price into their PD array, maybe a fair value gap or an order block. So they take their trade and boom, price goes to where their take profit is. So the thing is, between these two concepts, which one do you think is the best that is guaranteed to pay you $1 million from the market? And there is no strategy that is better than the other. The thing is, just master that one strategy that you understand, then employ a good risk management, have a good trading psychology that will empower you or enable you to manage your trades effectively. These are the tools that can make you earn $1 million from the market. Just good risk management, have a good trading psychology, then master your strategy, whether it is smart money concept or retail trading concept. Either of those two concepts have the ability to pay you $1 million from the market. If you don't have a good risk management, you don't have good trading psychology, there is no way you can earn $1 million from the market. So this is what I have for you today. I want you to like, share, leave a comment on our video, and do subscribe to this channel for content like this. God bless you. See you next time.